I've had this DeWalt DW511 variable speed hammer drill for just a few years. Have used it very little. This is actually my second one just like this. The first one had a problem in the mechanism here that goes between drill and hammer. This one has a problem where it doesn't spin anymore in any direction, forward, reverse, hammer, or drill. All I get is a little noise. Going to tear it down and show you what's going on with it. That's what you got on the inside. If you turn the chuck, everything works in here. If you realize the motor's not spinning anything, that's because the shaft is broken clean off the end of the motor. There's the part that's broken off. So the only way to repair this is to buy the entire armature assembly and replace it. That assembly cost shipped to my door about $60. And it doesn't come with bearings, just the armature. So I went to the store today and priced a similar unit, a 1/2 inch hammer drill, same company, different model number. It's not variable speed. The variable speed one is about $89. I can get this one in single speed hammer drill, forward reverse, for about $69, something like that. So I will not be repairing this one. I just don't, this thing hasn't got any use hardly at all. It's embarrassing that something can't last no longer than this one did. But I just figured I'd show you what might be going on with it. If you're going to get one just like it, don't throw this one away because you'll probably need parts off of it. Good job, DeWalt. I'm out.